topic to do for our science project, and we found that in the media it was very common in journals because the change in the National Lottery ownership, the Premier Lotteries Ireland got a 10-year lease, so the company was changing and there was a lot of journals written up on it, and we stopped with the idea and we found that Nessa's mum entered the lottery every week in work, so we decided it was relevant to us and kind of took people in Ireland as 62% of the population play the lotto who are over 18.
What percentage is that?
62%.
62%? That's a big number, isn't it?
Yeah. So we found it was quite relevant to people.
Yeah, absolutely. And sort of in your findings, do you think is it possible to predict the lottery numbers, or?
Well, we can get advice, but we can't really predict the numbers. But we found that over 60% of the time, the winning number, there's a consecutive pair in the winning numbers, which is like 14 or 15, so numbers that follow each other. And then we found that triple consecutive numbers only appear 6.3% of the time, so we advise to pick consecutive numbers. We also found out that the jackpot is higher during spring and autumn rather than summer and winter. We thought this might be because people are saving for Christmas and may not, or saving for holidays, may not do the lottery, so jackpots won't be easily won and run all over.